to the Model Car Guy channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here. Welcome back, and today we're going to build a Weekend Warrior 1967 Pontiac GTO. Here's the body. And what's weird for the interior tub is that you get these holes for pegs, yet there's no holes for pegs because these are for the frame. So is that. And then we got our frame here. We got our motor parts, we got our seats, grill parts, which I'm not going to use. Some roll cage parts for the drag. These seats are for the drag. Here's our stock hood, some tire parts, detailed firewall, and our battery. Here's our exhaust, which I'm going to cut off because I'm building it as the drag. Rear end, normal stock seats, and some type of front end. Headrest, stuff for the frame and our steering wheel. Here's our shocks and racing hood. Our Christmas tree parts, because it comes with it. Here's our dash. Here's our tires. 2 metal axles. Tail lights. And I don't know why these have them when there's no pegs. Our windshield back glass. 3 chrome trees. Got a set of rims. Lights for the Christmas tree. Then we got our grill, bumper, General Lee rims. These are the rims I'm gonna go with, and chrome exhaust headers. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Decals and directions nobody cares about. All right, let's get into what paint stuff we'll be using. All right, here's the paint stuff that we'll be using. A gloss white for our Christmas tree, a gloss baby blue for the engine, metallic chrome for like some engine parts, seaside blue for the body, flat black for like a few engine parts, and gloss black for the frame and interior. Here's our glue we're using, razor blade knife, my trusty pliers, a chrome Sharpie, and put a new blade on the hobby knife. Alright, now let's head over to the paint booth. Alright, build up date number 1. We got the body painted and it looks nice. I took a gloss clear coat to it, made it look even better. And I got it painted underneath. And I gotta do some chrome trimming, get the windshield and back glass in. Painted underneath the hood, and same thing with the paint and all that. Got my seats headrests put together and painted. Got my dash done. Got my steering wheel done. Got my firewall done. My motor done. Just I know the other exhaust came off, just trying to set it in there. So yeah, looks good. And painted my gas tank. And my drive shaft painted, and my rear something, I can't remember what it's called, painted. So alright, on to build update number 2. Alright, build update number 2. Block wash the grill, still gotta paint the marker lights. Still gotta put the firewall on, still gotta put my battery on, still gotta put the hood on, did chrome trimming on the body, and I got the taillights put in and painted underneath. Got my interior done, got the motor in, and some springs, dry shaft and all that. Got my tires done. I got the drag slicks for the back and the front done, and got my Christmas tree painted and have to assemble it. So all right, now let's see what this GTO looks like done. All right, it is done. This 1967 Pontiac GTO. And I got the drag strip done and all that. Let's take a look at it. It's the Model Car National Drag Strip. Got a bunch of sponsors there. Same thing on the other side. I got the burnout section, the other burnout section. I just got 2 Ram tires in here. There is the Christmas tree. There's a 67 Chevrolet's version of the GTO. There's the motor. I had to remove the blower. Yeah, I've seen the fit issues with this kit. Here's underneath. I got some tires held up in there. The interior, I really like the interior. How I did it. So comment down below which one you like best, and hopefully guys you like this video, and comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And stay tuned for some drag car burnouts. They'll become stop motion is coming soon.